Hi, I'm Joe Peoples with Reinhardt Realtors and Workman Success Systems. Gone are the days of have listing and get paid. Gone are the days with buyers lining up outside the door. Gone are the days of this is easy. Get ready to leverage your skills and your systems to win in the next market. To win in this next market, it's going to require four things. Excellent service. It's going to require persistent follow-up. It's going to require consistent messaging, and then as well as operational excellence. Excellent service is what we call table stakes. I'm not a gambler, but I heard about you go to Vegas. Table stakes is what you need to ante up to get at the table. And so every consumer is expecting what we call excellent service. And how do we deliver that? We deliver excellent service by being, I would say, subject matter experts on our topic around people buying and selling homes. That is just fundamental. The other fundamental is sales. Our clients are in the market all the time. Buying and selling a home is what they have to do to go on with their life. And they're going to work with the agent that stays top of mind, front and center. And how do we stay top of mind, front and center? We have an excellent system of lead follow-up. We have a system of being in touch with our best relationships. We also have a system around expanding and growing our database. And lastly, we have a system around inviting our clients to do things. We can't be with our clients all the time. So this third solution is consistent messaging. Your marketing message needs to be in front of your ideal customer all the time. And the only way for that message to be in front of them all the time is for you to have an automated marketing system using your CRM, knowing that you're reaching out for birthdays and anniversaries, but additionally, continuing to communicate your evidence of success throughout the entire process. The fourth discipline that you need is systems. Systems are really like an organized and intentional way of how you actually do your business. And so what we want to see happen so that you can win in this current market is to make sure you're documenting and practicing a process that you can measure, because your ability to execute across your service, your marketing and sales is going to come from your consistent measurement and tracking of your activities. Now, if you don't practice these four disciplines with your business, it's pretty bold for me to say you're going to struggle. That's really you're going to struggle. The game's changed, and single variable work is not going to get you where you need to go in our current market. Depending on one modality to actually run your business, it's just not going to work. Our consumers have more choices and higher expectations today. In order for you to reach those expectations and stand out, it's going to require you to execute across multiple disciplines. On the flip side, by actually using these systems, you're going to put yourself in a position to have a predictable, consistent income for your real estate business. Let's wrap it up. To win in this current marketing environment, it's going to require you to do first, have an exceptional system for delivering service to your buyers and sellers. Two, it's going to be you putting in the time on a daily basis to do the follow-up and stay engaged with your clients voice to voice, face to face, with a level of consistency that happens on a daily basis. Third, your marketing messaging. Take some time to organize your messaging at least once a month to ensure that it's on point, always communicating your value, helping a buyer and seller sell. And fourth, systems. You will commit yourself to documenting your systems, working your systems, and tracking the results so you can have iterative improvement. In conclusion, you can win in today's market with a commitment to executing on the fundamentals daily. I'm Joe Peoples at Reinhardt Realtors and Workman Success Systems, and I am committed to ensuring that everyone that comes across my path can get the most out of their real estate career.